Hello and welcome back to my origami channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool $1 bill butterfly. It's kind of a two-dimensional model. It made a little bit 3D with a pleat here at the end, and it's a simple model. So let's go ahead and get started. Grab your freshest $1 bill you can find, and we're going to start with the green side up here, and we're going to fold from edge to edge, short edge to short edge. Make a nice firm crease. Open this back up. We're going to flip it around, and we're going to take this top edge and fold it to the center crease from the right side here. Just like that. Make a nice firm crease. Do the same on the other side here. You have a nice triangle design here. Now for step 3, we're going to turn the model over, and we're going to fold these folded edges to the center, letting the bottom flap pop out. Just like that. Repeat on the other side. Make a nice firm crease here. Alright, and now for step 4, we're going to flip the model over. We're going to bring this top point down to meet where these edges converge down here in the center. Make a nice firm crease. And for our next step, we're going to make a folding this flap back up where these points meet, right here on the edge of this folded edge and the edge here. So we're basically going to be folding. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and show you exactly where this is, just so you see where these points meet right here. This is where we're going to fold the edge to. Back out a little bit more here. I'm going to fold this flap up. Now at this point here, you can use a ruler. Sometimes I will just put a ruler across where those points meet and just fold that up, and then just creep it up just like that. And then you can see when you meet these two edges here, this point's going to be a little bit above this top edge, just like that. Make a nice firm crease on there. Alright, now for step 6, we're going to take these two bottom flaps and fold them all the way up to this raw edge on top here. Straight across, as you can see there. Do the same on this side. Bring that edge up, pull it across. What we're doing here in step 6 is we're making a pleat. And to make that pleat, I'm bringing both edges up to the top here, and I'm going to fold these two flaps back down. Now this is up to your taste, but I like to bring it down to where this white edge is right here on the mixing with the green. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring that down right up to that edge, as you can see, and just fold that across. And I'm going to do the same on this side just to match that side. Bring it across. Make a nice firm crease just like that, and you have a pleat going across, as you can see. Alright, now for the very last step, we're gonna basically just turn the model over, and as you can see, it already kind of looks like a butterfly. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it in half and show you where I make this fold at. So I'm folding it in half, and I'm gonna make a fold from where these two points converge here on top down to this folded edge right there. As you see that, it's kind of an angled bisector, and you can do that by hand. I like to take a ruler and just kind of put it right there and bring this edge over a little bit just to get it started. I'll flip it around and just make sure that angle is there. And when you do that, you're bringing the wings up. Just like that. Bringing that down. And now you can just flip the model over on this side and just match that fold you just did. Making it symmetrical. Match the wings together. There. And just making a nice firm crease. And there you have your origami butterfly in 8 easy steps. It's a great model. It's two-dimensional, like I said, but the cool thing about this model that I really like, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit here, is that you can display it in different methods. Like, I like to take like a small binder clip, the real small ones, and you can clip it on the bottom here, and you have kind of a desk butterfly that you can put on your desk, which is kind of cool. And then also you can take and you can hot glue a magnet on the back and put it on your refrigerator. And I did that over here at my house, and my wife's like, what the heck, you got a dollar bill butterfly up on the fridge? And I go, yeah, it's for good luck, you know. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Take the time to smash that like button and the subscribe button, and be notified of the next models I do. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.